Hello everybody, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid Sport. This vehicle has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 204 horsepower and it also has 2 electric motors. This vehicle has a CVT, and you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired. You plug in your phone over there, reverse camera. And obviously, since it's a hybrid, it doesn't make noise when you're reversing or when you start up the car, so it makes like that artificial electric noise. And you have like this mesh trim that Honda Civics have and other CR-V models have. You have this one has like it has like fabric seats with orange stitching. You also have orange stitching on the shift boot, which is cool. Sunroof, which is good too. You have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. Let's walk around the CR-V, see what it looks like. Black wheels on this one, and it's fully blacked out. So for a hybrid CR-V, it looks pretty good. I like the daytime running lights, they look good too. Here are the rear seats with the charging ports there too. USB-C, of course. Sport badge on the back. Also, it says CR-V hybrid, so you know it's a hybrid. It's not a powered trunk, it is manual trunk. You have a little CR-V trunk mat. Looks pretty good actually. It also has dual outlet exhaust, which is interesting on a hybrid, because a lot of hybrids don't have any exhaust tips or exhaust tip garnishes showing to signify that it's electrified. So at least this car doesn't scream the fact that it's a hybrid, which is a good thing. This looks like it's just a blacked out CR-V. Obviously, around parking lot speeds, and when you take off from the standstill, the electric power will give you a little bit of extra boost, which is cool. Acceleration is actually not too bad. The ride is pretty smooth. Oh yeah, and even though these seats are fabric and not leather, they do have adjustable lumbar, which is good, because a lot of cars with fabric seats or cloth seats do not have lumbar adjustments. You also have heated seats too, which is a good feature. Once again, not every car with non-leather seats is going to have those options. Acceleration, it's not bad for what it is. I mean, it's going to do the job of getting you from point A to point B, and that's the whole point of the car. It's going to give you great fuel economy too, considering the fact that it's a hybrid. So I think you can probably get fuel economy in the high 30s in this vehicle, if I'm not mistaken, or at least that's what I would expect from a CR-V hybrid, because all CR-Vs are pretty economical in terms of fuel economy and everything, based off of what kind of car it is, with the CVT and a 4-cylinder. And one thing that's surprising is the steering is actually kind of heavy. It's nice. The steering doesn't feel vague and numb. It actually has some weight to it, even in like the regular mode, which is the most surprising thing about this drive to me. The car actually handles decently well and the steering gives good responsiveness and feedback and doesn't feel like you're doing nothing. Pretty good turning radius on that U-turn. And yeah, as you can see that acceleration, it does the job. Not bad at all. Handling, as I said, is pretty good for this car. Biggest surprise of the whole drive for me was the steering feel. It's really good. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own pre-owned Honda CR-V.